Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video. So make sure, hit that notification bell so the next time that I upload a new video, you will be notified. Today is September the 5th. This is a Virgo season, and yes, I am a Virgo. If you would like to send me any kind of birthday goodies, please send it to the post office box that I list below. And let's get into this mini luxury unboxing. I want to call it an unboxing. It could be an unbagging. And the reason why I purchased this from Neiman Marcus, it didn't come all boxed up. I mean, the item is boxed up, but it didn't come boxed up as in I have a box in my hand and then I tear open the box with my little trusty dusty knife. No, I have a bag. We are doing another mini haul. I picked up this item from Neiman Marcus. It's trending. It's something that I'm on the fence about, so I don't know if I really like it or if I'm buying it because it's so trendy. Here's the bag. Here's the box. Here's the bag. Here is the box again. But now you know who is by. It is a Chanel box. Yes, it is a Chanel box. And what did I pick up? You let me know. Did you guess? Did you let me know down in the comment section what you think this is? Did you? I'm waiting. All right. So I picked up the trending dad sandals. Yes, I did. I picked these up in black. These are in a size 39. It is a 21B collection. The price is $16.75. I don't know. Either they're lambskin or calfskin. I hope they're calfskin. But that is the box information right there. And let me get you the receipt information. $1,805.81 for these dad sandals. Let me pull them out for you can see. Box top. Here is the dust bags. I have this little barcode situation here. So this barcode says 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Keeping track of the shoes, yeah. Here they are. So this is my right foot. This is my left foot. These dad sandals by Chanel come with a wedge, gold tone hardware, and then the Chanel is written out in the front of the foot. Yeah, in the front of the foot. So you're getting all the Chanel action right in the front of the shoe. See it? Then on the side, the iconic diamond print all around the base of the sandal. Chanel is, little tag is in the bottom of the shoe. Oh, and then, hello, we have that double C in the back. So you have it all the way around. You have it by your feet. You have it midway at the top of your foot. And then at the back of your heel. Yes, you have the double C's. I love it. Now this leather is shiny. I think you can see it in the camera. It is very shiny. And then here is the bottom. The double C logo is at the bottom of the heel. And it says made in Italy. Yeah, so these are made in Italy. Let me pull out the other one. So this is the wedge. Then there's the back. I love this. I love this. I have unboxed some Chanel sandals on this channel already, and I was like, do you need 2 pair of sandals and then they're both black? And I was like, I don't know. I don't know. Answer the question for me. Do I need 2 pair of black Chanel sandals? Yeah, that's the question. So I do not know. Go back and watch the other luxury unboxing. They're all mini luxury hauls, and see which one you like. Then come back to this one and let me know which one you like. Let me try them on for you. Okay, so I was taking out the little piece of paper that was inside, and then I realized, ooh, this is like a velvet lining inside of the shoe. I'm like, hello velvet, hello softness, hello luxury. Do you see it? Oh, it is so smooth to the touch, and I know it's going to be smooth on your feet. Oh my goodness. These little gold tone grommets on the side. Hello, we got buckled garments all over. The front, the middle, and then the back. So these straps are adjustable. So whether you have a wide foot or a narrow fit, it's gonna work for you. Yes, it is. All right, so that was my mini luxury haul unboxing. Comment below if you like the Chanel dad sandals. Comment below if I should keep both of them or should I keep just one of them. If I'm going to keep just one, comment below which one I should keep. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Bye-bye.